In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename threads in Perplexity AI. This process is straightforward and will help you keep your workspace organized by updating the titles of your threads to better reflect their content or purpose. First things first, let's head over to the Perplexity AI website. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to www.perplexity.ai. Once you're there, you'll land on the home page. This is your starting point for all the exciting things you can do with Perplexity AI, including organizing your threads. Now look towards the top of the page and locate the Home button. You'll want to click on that to ensure you're in the right place to access all the features of the site. Clicking this ensures you have a clear view of your dashboard and all possible options available on Perplexity AI. Next, direct your attention to the Library section. You can usually find this in the main navigation menu. Click on Library, and it will take you to a collection of all your threads. Think of the library as a hub where all your past work is stored. It acts like a digital filing cabinet, great for diving back into previous projects or tidying up your archive. Once you're in the library, it's time to find the thread you wish to rename. Scroll through your list of threads. Depending on how many you have, this might take a bit of time, but keep an eye out for the one that needs a new title. A trick to make this easier is remembering key dates or keywords associated with the thread you're looking for. After identifying the thread you want to rename, it's time for the key step in this process. Look closely at the options next to the thread's title. You should see a pencil icon, which is usually pretty universal for edit functions across most online platforms. When you spot it, go ahead and click on that pencil icon. Clicking this icon will prompt a text box to appear, allowing you to edit the title of the thread. Here, you can erase the old title and type in a new one. Make sure this new title is clear and descriptive. This way, it will be easier for you and anyone else accessing your threads to immediately understand the content or purpose of that particular thread. Once you've typed in the new name, double check it to ensure there are no typos or errors. When everything looks good, save the change, often by hitting Enter or clicking a Save button depending on the interface. Congratulations! Your thread now has a new name. This can be helpful if projects evolve over time, or if you've simply thought of a more apt name post-creation. Keeping your digital workspace tidy leads to enhanced productivity and ease of use. That wraps up this guide on renaming threads in Perplexity AI. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.